Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to replace our smoke and carbon monoxide home alarm detectors. Our alarm is hardwired and the installation is simple. First, turn off the circuit breaker. Since our breaker doesn't have a label for the alarm, it's best to turn off everything. Next, remove any old cover plates and disconnect the old wires. Connect the new wire to the existing wire by matching their colors and ensure that the connections are securely tightened. And reattach the new cover plate. Finally, plug in your new smoke alarm and test to ensure all your alarms are working together.
No,
Just press the
don't.
test button, and your alarm should be
You
functioning
press that
properly.
button. Ow.